Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So right here, guys, we're going to demonstrate on 2012 Ford F150 that we have. But even if you have a different year, that generation video may be helpful. Check the relay, and if the relay is not bad, guys, check the fuse for the rear window defroster. We'll have the video on the channel as well. Check it out. Once you open the hood on your F150, right above the radiator fan, you have the main engine management fuse box right here. That's the fuse box that you will need to work in, guys. And once you open the lid, you will see the fuses. You will face them that way. You will be on this side, and the windshield will be towards this side. Now let's explain why it's always a good idea to test relays and fuses so we don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So those Ford Motor Company relays could be really hard to find sometimes if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys. So I would recommend to keep some as spares in the glove box. Mostly use two, three different kinds. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping. That way you don't waste your money, guys. And if we come in that row right here, the relay for the rear window defroster is number 1, 2, 3, 4. That fourth relay right here we'll need to check. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.